Back in another video, so I got slime. It was first in this book, but it ain't not. It's pink. I said purple.
He said I should eat, sleep, and breathe the dance. So when you do the homework and clean the room.
And I got some glitter and
Your
slime.
mother told me that if I put in the effort, I'd be thankful you.
Sorry, I'm not in the mood.
Thanks for getting homework out of my life forever. My job would be so much easier if it weren't for all these kids.
Yeah. I'm not right now. Just seen a fight, and after that, I got into it at school. And then the person that was trying to fight me, they got suspended because they started to. They said
Movie Circus takes you behind the scenes on the latest Disney movie, A Wrinkle in Time.
So I said, don't mess with me. And then they said, and then they she pushed. So then I pushed her back. And then she started eating out me, so I put hands on her, and then she did it again. So then I went to tell the principal, told her she's sleeping. She never cursed the first time.
So what is that thing back there for? Over there we find Muriel, where we have all the equipment to do.
So now I'm not in the mood right now.
Disney's A Wrinkle in Time flies in the theaters March 9th, rated PG. It's always been my dream to fly. Me too. And with you. Yeah.
What? No. First one I just said no to.
Madison, sit down.
No, you're not.
Just standing up.
It's because she want to come see if the color changed.
How did you get the book in the first place?
What? I don't know. All I did was this. Hold on, I'm gonna try to see if it works, because there's probably no more pink. Well, it's pink in the other one, so let me go get the other one. But when you done with it, give it to me, okay? Because I want it. I don't need this. I'll be back, guys. So I'm back in here. My sister's gonna give me. Don't use it all, cause I still need to change the color. I don't want it to be this color. I'm sorry, baby. I'm watching Jessie.
I need to chat. Oh, Jesse, thank you for visiting. We don't allow visitors.
Did you tell Luke he doesn't have to clean his room or do his homework?
Or brush his teeth. Yes, I did.
And he smelled his breath lately. It's like the inside of a decaying, garlic-loving cat.
Look.
Hurry up, cause my video about to dessert.
Only going to be an issue for the front row.
My video is about to die.
Thank you for the gift that is Luke. But you have to go.
You know what? I will go. And I'm taking the gift with me.
Oh, you can't. He's going to put my dance studio on the map.
Well, if he doesn't do his homework, he won't be able to spell math. Luke, we're leaving.
No, I don't want to leave.
Sorry, but my mind is made up.
Nanny, wait. Do that again.
Do what again?
That dramatic turn. Such regal posture, such swan-like grace. Obviously, you've danced before.
Well, I don't mean to brag, but I was on the drill team. There's a whole thing in the school paper about it. You probably didn't see it.
Well, I didn't have to. You are a natural danseuse. I want I need you to join this class and perform with us on Saturday when we compete on the live episode of Seriously? You call that dancing?
Seriously?
You call that dancing? Yes, that's the full title. Please keep up.
That's my favorite show of all time.
Me too. And now that I have Luke, and you, of course, I'm gonna win.
You mean we're gonna win? Oh, I can't wait to brag about this at the drill team reunion. I really hope that ripping noise was my pants.
Tony, we need to talk to you about a secret admirer.
Yes, a young lady in the building is quite taken with you.
Is this about Mrs. Felton in 14D with the constant prune delivery? She's not exactly young. I think she went to prom with Abe Lincoln.
No, it's Zuri.
Zuri? No way. Why would little Zuri have a crush on me?
Well, for starters, you enjoy the same cartoons.
They're not cartoons. They're animated musical extravaganzas. Those ponies are artists.
You need to be careful, because my psychology textbook says Zuri's at a very delicate age where rejection could affect her for the rest of her life.
Oh no. Okay, what should I do?
Just make sure to let Zuri off easy so she won't end up living alone and feeding 30 cats.
That would be horrible.
If you think that is bad, you should see Emma's blots. They're sparkling down rungs of misery. I forgot a shot.
I love it. I should have put a ring.
I never had chocolates like these.
We need to talk, Missy. Why don't you leave me a to-do list of your jobs?
So it would be easier for you to do them?
I'm not covering your duties just so you can rehearse for your little recital.
Hey, it's just 3 more days, then you can get back to your strict whining schedule.
Taking both of you out of this class. I'm calling your parents and pulling a plug on this whole thing.
How many meddlesome servants does this boy have?
Okay, let's not be hasty. I'm staying here.
You're going home and you need
So,
a
bye guys. Sorry I wasn't talking. Bye.
Do that again.